Season's greetings, everyone! I hope that you're in a festive and relaxed mood. Let's take a look at some therapeutic machining and engineering techniques by Dyson Machinery. Now that we're all relaxed, let's go over to Colin, who's at Titan in Cambridgeshire, being the Christmas magnetic fairy that he is.
There we go, we'll ask Paul in due course. Nice bar loaders here from Multi-Feed, cracking bar feeders as we know, and this is a beast of a machine, NLX 2000/500. It's trying to prove out a job at the moment, so we won't disturb him too much, but look at that for a turret. That is going to be taking huge chunks of metals, but now we can get it working properly. Anyway, I can't move on. Now this, Chris, stick your barnet in here. Pallet loading system, so that's holding 15 components there. Switching in and out of this machine, so excuse us while we just come through. And there you go, it's actually running on, that's the Haas VF2 SS. Give us some magnets. Oh look, thank you, he loves us. There you go. Another Haas there, and look, if you go in here, you've got 3+1 going on there. Again, nice Haas machine. Give us some magnets. There you go, give you some magnets. Absolute pleasure. Smooth. Now here, do some Puma? Oh, decent DNM at 500. Small component, but huge envelope. It's only because bad timing on our part, but full 5-axis on there with your nick and rotary table, so doing some very complex parts. But they've had this one about 4 years, but permanent, ongoing investment. Now quickly, you've got some mail-up pallet masters here. Now the apprentices have seen the camera, they've scarpered, but they've been doing some nice little jobs here. Look at that, slotting, but it's actually off-centre, if you can see that. So he's only been here 4 months, poor guy, but he absolutely loves it. He told me he's looking to stay here. Depends if he passes his exams or not, so give him a magnet.
Thanks, Colin. Just remember, if you'd like Colin, the Christmas fairy, out to your machine shop, let me know and I'll send out his humbug self. Blast from the past. Let's see what Colin's up to this week.
Another blast from the past. This is an absolute triumph. That's because, well, it is a Triumph, and it is a Triumph 2000 named after the spindle speed. I'll give you a little clue at the beginning. How old is this machine? Well, it is exactly the same age in years as me. So I know you're thinking straight away, really? Is it from the 80s? We'll tell you at the end. But anyway, let's work my cameraman, get yourself around here. First of all, if I just showcase there, so through spindle bore, that 2 inches bar will go in there if you want to work a nice long component. Now back you go, Chris. There you go, so some nice little controls here. First of all, said the Triumph 2000. If you want to change your spindle speed, that is on red, so it's on 1500 at the moment. Hopefully, if you want to go 12, 20, there you go, yellow, nice and simple. All change on your spindle speed. Now, thread cutting, you've got your left and right hand threads here, your low and your high ratios here, so nice, simple, well, relatively simple controls, obviously. Now, I obviously couldn't work the machine, but that's another story. But then you've got your different axes here. And let me get this right, that's your X, he says confidently. No Y, but you've got your Z just there, so your larger movements, and then just moving backwards and forwards there. Come on, Chris. I could machine my own component with this, I think, not a problem at all. Then here you can actually automate the axes moving, and then backwards and forwards and left and right. But what I haven't seen before is this. This is a cracking little piece. It is a template cutter. So what you do is you drop your template in here. This will follow your template, tools here, and then it will cut the part along here. So great machine with your template cutting facility. Triumph 2000, the year, absolutely. Didn't forget to tell you, but I know you're going to be surprised. 1968.
Now, I know that this is a massive ask, but if you have any machines as old as Colin that you'd like to show off, then message me.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas,
Wow.
Gina, from me and all the elves at my metalworking shop.
Wow, thank you so much, Santa.
You're welcome. Well, you've been a good little girl this year, so Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yay! Thanks, Santa. Wow, what could it be? That's amazing. Brilliant. Let's open it up and have a look. How did they know that I wanted a 24-karat gold plated Christmas angel on a sterling silver made on a wire EDM machine by EDM Zone? How did they know? Amazing. Let's take a look at the machining process for this incredible piece. This milling machine is a Haas VF4. This 3-axis machine is a high-powered machine with direct drive spindles. It offers more X and Z axis travel and has an 8,100 RPM spindle. The machine engraves into sterling silver and is then inlaid with 24-karat gold. The wire EDM is a Charmiles Robofill 330F wire EDM with Fanuc CNC control. It offers submerged cutting with an ISO pulse generator and automatic wire threader. EDM Zone is passionate about being part of the manufacturing and engineering supply chain. Since its inception in 2007, they have gained unrivaled reputation for quality and problem solving. They offer an award-winning service and are proud to serve over 200 active customers with EDM and CNC machine components and assemblies. They are always looking for new technologies and innovative manufacturing techniques. Of the heaven angels sing, glory to the newborn King. And now time for my final thought. So Christmas is a time to wind down, relax, enjoy the festive period, be with family, have a beer or 3, really make it your own special day. And just get this year over and done with so I can just start my new life in 2020 and forget all of this mess that I've done in 2019. Yeah. Oh yeah, I just want to let you know that the competition is still running. And I really do need a name for this show. So you've got until next week. Otherwise, I have to name it myself. But I have some awesome prizes to give away with the best and most creative name that you can come up with. Also, I need your Christmas messages. Send them in. I want you in a machine shop saying Merry Christmas MTD. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to share it on all of our socials. So you'll just be ridiculously famous overnight and viral. So you have absolutely all the reason to do it. I look forward to seeing them. Merry Christmas, CNC Zalatas, Frolicken, Vanakten. Maybe not. What? I can't do it. You can barely see out of that beard. Oh. Do you want me to sing anything? I'm loving angels instead, and through it all. I just get this in. Yeah, I can't. How did they know that I wanted this? Oh wow, I mess up. Dice a machine in. Okay, one more time. Christmas mood. No, that made no sense. Ow. Can I throw something in the air? No.